Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we popped to Ikea at the weekend. It is now Friday when I'm filming this, but I just wanted to show you like a few bits that we got. It was so busy in Ikea when we went. We went like late on Sunday, like for the last 2 hours that it was open, and I thought it'd be dead quiet, so I was planning on doing a come shop with me. To be fair, I don't feel like 2 hours would have been enough to like go around and get what we needed and to do a come shop with me. But it was just so busy to film it anyway. I wouldn't have been able to do it. Oh my gosh, I forgot, because it's October, I think some students go back sort of like early to mid-October, and there was so many people there. But hopefully you've seen a few clips before this one, and hopefully there's some nice stuff in it. I feel like Ikea is one of those shops where it doesn't necessarily change loads anyway. They tend to have like the classic furniture in all the time, but they did have some like lovely rooms and some lovely like accessories, and I think I managed to capture it. They even had like this little bridal bit, which was so pretty if you're like having a wedding, or if you're having like a hen do and you're going away somewhere and you wanted to like decorate a table, like if you're having caterers, then oh my god, it was just so gorgeous. So yeah, we actually went round for like certain things, but I did manage to pick a couple of different bits up as well, so I thought I'd show you those. So first things first, let me talk about the item that I can't show because it's too big on camera, because I know I'll forget it if I don't talk about it first, and it is a Pax wardrobe, but we're actually using it as like a utility cupboard almost, to keep like hoovering, the brush, the dog food, all that sort of stuff, sort of like bags, scarves, just basically all those bits and bobs that we don't have storage for at the minute. In fact, our Hoover's current home is behind the curtain. We kind of just hide it out of the way behind there, but it'd be so much nicer in a cupboard out the way, and yeah, it won't peek through and look a mess at any point. And we went for like the smaller Pax unit, and we went for the grey door, and we was really unsure about the door when we was in the store, because we didn't know whether to go with white. There was beige that we nearly went for because we've just painted downstairs and it's beige, and then there's obviously grey, that what we did go for in the end. Well, if you've watched our decorating video, the kitchen cupboards are a kind of like greyish colour, and we had to paint the kitchen a different colour, so we thought let's rule beige out because it'd be too close to the wall colour, and then we was going to go for white, but I thought that was kind of like too bright when we've got lots of like dark grey tones and also loads of dark wood in the living room. So we ended up going for the grey, and I think it actually looks really smart. So I think it cost in total £115 with the 2 shelving units that we've had in, and we wanted this particular door handle, which was like a very almost, it wasn't black, it was like a dark bronze colour, but it almost looked black with how dark it was. It was only £9, but unfortunately that was out of stock, so we're going to wait to go somewhere like Dunelm and then pick up a handle for it. But for now it will do as it is, and it was super duper easy to put up. My husband put it up after work really quickly, so totally recommend the Pax range. Obviously we've only gone for 1 unit, not like a big wardrobe like some people do, but it seemed really good, and the people in store were so good. We was only having one, but we were so confused because there's so many different sizes of things. We asked the lady and she got it up on screen, and we could pick everything, you could see what it looked like. So yeah, that was really good for £115, really happy with it. The next item that's too big to show you, and because my husband's on it, he's already put like his stuff in it. We wanted some storage for above his wardrobe, so it was going to get, with the wardrobes that we've got, you can kind of get like those over the wardrobe boxes, like cupboard things that you can put stuff in. However, there's not enough room between the wardrobe and our ceiling, so we've been really looking for something that's going to look smart and put together, but we was really struggling to find anything. So I said, oh well, we'll probably find it in Ikea, and we did. So we got 2 big storage boxes in white, and they were £20 each, which seems quite expensive for storage boxes, but the stuff that he's putting in it is quite heavy. So we did have a look at some of the more canvas style ones, and they had so many cute ones of those in as well. But I said, just like over time, if you're pulling it down from the wardrobe, I feel like they'd go a little bit skew-whiffed, a little bit, I don't know, messy. So we went for the big white ones, and I think they actually look really smart on top of our wardrobe, so super happy with them, even though they're a little bit more expensive. And then to go on top of the cupboard downstairs, I picked up this plant pot. So it's like a dark wicker, and I just loved the colour of it. It's kind of like a cooler dark toned. Yeah, if you look at my jumper, actually this is kind of like a warmer dark like brown tone, whereas this is a cooler brown tone. So this was £5, and then to go in that I bought one of these like eucalyptus plants and this was £5 as well, just to give the cupboard a little something, because I feel like it could look a little bit like a wardrobe if we don't decorate it up properly. And yeah, I feel like that's going to look really nice on the top of that. And I just love the coolness of the green on the eucalyptus as well, and I think it goes really nice with the dark wicker effect. Then also got a kind of more classic wicker style plant pot for my youngest bedroom, because she's got one of those like hanging plants. It's a little bit darker than the one that I've just shown. That was from Ikea as well. I think they still have them in. I feel like all the plants and plant pots are about £5. And I broke the pot that she had, because it was ceramic and I was dusting, and I just knocked it off and it fell on carpet, but it did fall from quite a height, so yeah, it broke. So I just got one of those because I thought I quite like the wicker effect. I feel like it really gives the room like a cozy feel. Talking of my daughter, one of the main reasons we went in is because we've got an Ikea high chair, and we had it for my eldest, which obviously she's too big for it now, but we threw the cushion and the insert away, so I've just got the cushion insert and the cushion itself. So we just went for the grey and the yellow one. These were £4 each, so it was £8, which is so cheap. Like if you're a new mum, definitely get the Ikea high chair. They're so easy to clean, they don't take up much room. I feel like the more expensive high chairs tend to be quite bulky, and yeah, you can just throw away the cushions if you're planning on having seconds or thirds children, and like reuse them. So yeah, super duper handy. You can get really cute cushion covers from Etsy, and they start around the kind of like £10 to £15 mark and go up to like £30, but there's so many cute designs on there if you did want to check them out. I have gone a little bit crazy on the autumn decor. I'm going to need somewhere to store it, so IKEA do these big plastic bags, and I just thought, oh yeah, they would be perfect to put all my autumn bits in and pop up in the attic when it's Christmas time. In fact, these would be really good storage for Christmas as well. And what I like about it is it's not fully transparent, but you'd definitely be able to see what was in it, so it just kind of saves you labelling it up. Also got some spoons for my daughter. I don't know why, I've really struggled to find plastic spoons, so I just saw those and I picked them up. I nearly picked up, you know, the pastel coloured plates and bowls and dishes that I feel like every like parent has, but we don't have enough space in the cupboard, and my daughter really likes her Minion and Mickey Mouse ones, so yeah, I left those. But I did get some of these bibs because they are, I believe they are wipe clean. Yeah, they definitely feel wipe clean. And my youngest, she's like not big enough, do you know, for the Tommy Tippy plastic bibs, and when she leans forward on a high chair, it like pops the back off, and then she ends up, yeah, just getting in a mess. So I thought I'd get these ones. So they are quite long, but I don't think they're going to pop off the same. I don't know how much they were, but not very expensive. And then the final item I got was some tea lights, and oh my god, you get so many tea lights in here. Actually, how many does it say? Get 100 tea lights, so these are going to last me ages. I don't think there's any scent or any strong scent to these, which is good because I plan on using them with my wax melt burners, and I tend to want the wax melt to smell, I want the room to smell like the wax melt rather than like the tea light candle. So yeah, just picked up 100 of those, and I'll say they were like £3 something. They were super duper cheap, and I was really impressed. But yeah, it was only like a quick mini haul and come shop with me because, oh my god, I just didn't realise how busy it was going to be at that time. And we was being really good because we wanted to get the cupboard, and honestly by the time we'd like designed the cupboard, we literally had to whiz around. I couldn't look at all the nice like kitchen bits and, you know, like the flower section. I didn't have time to look at any of that, so it was a super quick haul. But I hope you liked it anyway, and hopefully it's given you some ideas if you did want to go to IKEA. I know for us it's like 40 minutes away. I feel like they're quite spread out, so I feel like it's better if you go for the day, sit down, have some meatballs halfway through, and then like take your time, go around. But we had to have a super quick visit, which I didn't mind because we got what we needed, and I didn't get too much more, which is a good thing. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this mini come shop with me and haul, and give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.